Hello, everyone. You can become a new version of yourself, and it's not as difficult as you might think. It begins with understanding that you have the power to change your life through the thoughts you think and the beliefs you hold. Right now, if you feel stuck or like you're not where you want to be, it's only because the story you're telling yourself has not yet aligned with who you truly want to be. The good news is, you can rewrite that story at any time, starting right now. The first step in creating a new version of yourself is realizing that you are not bound by the past. The old version of you, shaped by your experiences, mistakes, and setbacks, does not define who you can become. In fact, that version of you is only a creation of your mind. The key is to recognize that you are the creator of your world, and with that power comes the ability to shape your reality. The truth is, everything around you, your circumstances, your relationships, your job, even the way you feel about yourself, are a reflection of the beliefs you hold deep inside. If you want to change your life, you must change your beliefs. This change doesn't happen by simply wishing for it, it happens when you actively decide to see yourself in a different light. It all starts with the way you think. You are constantly creating your reality through your thoughts. Each thought you have is like a seed being planted in the soil of your mind. The more you nourish those thoughts with your attention, the stronger they grow. If you continuously focus on thoughts of limitation, lack, or failure, those will be the things you experience. But if you choose thoughts of abundance, success, and possibility, your life will begin to reflect those beliefs. So, how do you change your thoughts? It's simpler than it seems. The first thing you must do is become aware of the thoughts you're already thinking. Pay attention to the stories you're telling yourself. Are you constantly telling yourself that you're not good enough? That you'll never be successful? Or are you telling yourself that you are worthy of greatness, that the best is yet to come, and that you have everything it takes to create the life you desire? The more you recognize the thoughts that are not serving you, the more you can begin to shift them. One powerful way to do this is through affirmations. These are simple statements that help to reprogram your mind and align your thoughts with the person you want to become. For example, if you've been telling yourself you're not worthy of success, replace that thought with, "I am worthy of all the success and abundance life has to offer." Your mind is incredibly powerful, and it is always working to bring to life the ideas and beliefs you hold about yourself. If you want to create a new version of yourself, you must begin to see yourself as that new person. Don't focus on your past mistakes or what you think you can't do. Instead, visualize and affirm the version of you that is successful, confident, and capable of achieving everything you desire. But here's the thing, this process requires consistency. It's not enough to simply think positive thoughts once or twice and expect instant results. You must make a daily commitment to reprogramming your mind and reshaping your beliefs. In the same way that you would go to the gym to build muscle, you must work on building your new identity every single day. One of the most effective ways to do this is through visualization. Take a few moments each day to close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself as the person you want to become. See yourself living your dream life, whether that's in a new job, in a loving relationship, or achieving a long-held goal. Feel the emotions of already being that person. Let yourself fully experience the joy, peace, and fulfillment that comes with living your ideal reality. The key to this visualization is to make it feel as real as possible. Engage all of your senses. What does your ideal life look like? What do you hear, smell, taste, and touch? The more details you can add to your visualization, the more real it will feel to your subconscious mind. And the subconscious mind does not know the difference between what is real and what is imagined. It accepts whatever you tell it as truth. So, when you visualize yourself as the new version of you, your mind will begin to believe that it is already true. But even more important than visualization is the feeling you have while doing it. The feeling is the key to manifestation. You must align your emotions with the vision you are creating. Feel the excitement, the gratitude, and the certainty that this new version of yourself is not just possible but inevitable. When you match your emotions with your vision, you send a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to receive what you are asking for. Another powerful tool for creating a new version of yourself is affirmations. These are simple statements that help to reprogram your mind and align your thoughts with the person you want to become. For example, if you've been telling yourself you're not worthy of success, replace that thought with, "I am worthy of all the success and abundance life has to offer." Affirmations work because they are a way to speak directly to your subconscious mind. By repeating them daily, you begin to shift your inner beliefs. And the more you repeat them, the more natural they will become. You will start to believe the affirmations you speak, and as a result, you will begin to see evidence of them in your life. When you are creating a new version of yourself, it's important to be patient. Change doesn't happen overnight, and the old version of you may try to resurface from time to time. But when that happens, don't get discouraged. Simply recognize it for what it is, the old story trying to hold on, and replace it with a new thought, a new affirmation, a new belief. When you set the intention to create a new version of yourself, it's essential to understand that the change comes from within. It's not about waiting for external circumstances to shift. It's about shifting your perception of yourself. You see, the way you perceive yourself and your potential is directly linked to the way your life unfolds. The more you change the internal image of who you are, the more you align with that vision, and the external world will naturally follow. One of the most powerful things you can do when creating this new version of yourself is to let go of the past. Many people find themselves stuck in their old patterns and stories because they hold on to the past too tightly. They believe that who they were yesterday has to define who they are today. But that's not the case. The past is a collection of memories and experiences, but it doesn't have to dictate your present or future. As you continue to change your thoughts and beliefs, you will begin to notice subtle shifts in your reality. People will respond to you differently, opportunities will begin to open up, and you will feel more confident in your ability to create the life you desire. The more you align yourself with the new version of you, the more the world will reflect that change back to you. But note, the key to this process is not in the outcome. It's in the journey of becoming the person you are meant to be. As you create the new version of yourself, you are also uncovering the truth of who you really are. You are limitless, powerful, and capable of creating the life you desire. So, if you want to create a new version of yourself, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Begin by changing your thoughts, aligning your beliefs with the person you want to become, and visualizing the life you desire. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. And before you know it, you'll look around and realize that you've become the person you've always dreamed of being. Your reality is a reflection of who you believe yourself to be. If you want to change your life, change your thoughts. And in doing so, you will create a new version of yourself, a version that is empowered, confident, and capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Trust in the power of your mind, believe in yourself, and take action. The world is waiting for you to step into your greatness.